Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making the third recipe of the fall pumpkin series, a cinnamon and brown sugar braised pumpkin with a mint garlic yogurt sauce topping called Borani Kadoo, originally from Afghanistan. Most people nowadays use butternut squash, but the original recipe calls for a Cinderella pumpkin like the one I'm using today. Let's get started. So we need 1.5 pounds of pumpkin, 1 cup olive oil, 1/3 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 yellow onion, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 cup all milk yogurt, 1 cup sour cream, 1 small garlic clove, 1/4 teaspoon chili pepper, 1/4 teaspoon dry mint. Let's move on to the yogurt sauce. Add the yogurt, sour cream, salt and crushed garlic clove to a bowl and whisk. Then set aside for later. Now for the pumpkin, remove the seeds with a spoon. Then slice into manageable thick slice so you can peel the pumpkin. Then slice them into 1/4 inch thick slice. The shape is up to you. We cut our pumpkin. Now it is time to fry them. Set your stove to high and heat your oil in a non-stick pan. While that heats up, chop the onion. Test the heat of the oil with a wooden spoon and carefully place the pumpkin slice in the oil. Flip them when they are golden brown on one side and repeat on the other side. When they are done, leave them aside on a plate. To the same pan, add the onion and fry it. Add brown sugar and set the heat on medium-low. Add the turmeric and 4 ounces of water. Transfer half of this into a large saucepan. Make sure to coat the bottom of the pan. Then place your pumpkin so there is minimal overlap and cover with the rest of the sauce. Replace on the stove on a medium-low heat and place the lid on for 5 minutes. Now you are ready to plate the pumpkin. Lay a layer of the yogurt sauce on the plate. Then add your pumpkin slices and drizzle more of the yogurt sauce over it. Sprinkle the dry mint and chili pepper over it. And enjoy this dish with a fresh baked Afghan bread called naan Barbari. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comments, leave them below. If you want more recipe like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.